Hi, airsoft gun reviews here with the Panther carbine, the bim4 series. There's gun, half plastic, half metal, I guess you can say. It came with two mags, one like regular, doesn't hold that much, and one with twist. I think it comes up to like 400. If you want accessories on it, you just put the comes this little thing here. You just attach it on there. Put the battery in it. The battery does not come through here. You can adjust the hop up. Just pulling that back. Comes right there. Has a good iron sight. It's semi. It's semi and full auto and safe right here. And I have to say it's a very nice gun. I got it at airsoft for I think $70, something like that. And let's go fire it. I'm back with the firing test. It's from like 3 feet away. It's not that far away. But here it goes. Shoot a couple. See if you like it or not. Might buy it, I don't know. Let me just get this on. So it's taking me so long. Okay, ready? It's on semi. This is on full. Thanks, remember, subscribe.